Job postings for entry-level positions in tech have become the biggest scam. It's not great, and if you watch this video, you will realize how bad the situation is. So if you go to any job board, like LinkedIn, and search for a job position with the keyword entry level, there are multiple job listings that show up that are major red flags. I mean, look at this. Look at this job description here. So they are looking for a data science AI/developer/Python, which already is an interesting job title. And the tagline is a relatively junior person, but 6+ years of experience. Now, this job also wants someone with a BS or a BA, so a Bachelor of Science or a Bachelor of Arts, some sort of university qualification. And let's just do some math. Assuming that you graduate at maybe 17 or 18, it will take you 3 years to have some sort of bachelor degree. So then you'll be around 20, 21 years old. On top of that, they want a further 6 years of experience. So that puts you at around 27 years old. A 27-year-old with 6 years of working experience is still considered a junior and still considered to receive entry-level pay. Like, with that same logic, then retirement should be at 120 years old. It doesn't make sense. And what's happening is that it seems like every entry-level position in tech, you need some sort of working experience. And it's not like experience in problem solving or experience in working with a team. Now, that I can understand, because a graduate with no working experience can possibly have a year of experience in problem solving because they've worked on group projects at university and they can talk through about working with a team. But what I don't understand is when entry-level jobs ask for work experience like 1 to 2 years of large-scale machine learning algorithms. How on earth does someone get that experience while still being junior, while still never having the chance of actually working in a corporate environment? These jobs are purposely not designed for your entry-level applicants. These jobs are designed for applicants who have that mid-level experience, but are desperate for a job and willing to be paid an entry-level salary, and that's a problem. If you look at this job for a junior data scientist and look at the requirements. So they need to be entry-level, but they need to know the following: Python, R, MATLAB, SQL, and databases. They need to have at least 1 to 4 years of experience, which is quite a large range. And on top of that, also should preferably know Tableau, Qlik, Power BI, feature engineering, predictive analytics. If you're an entry-level applicant with no job experience, it's impossible for you to have experience in all of that. You're not going to do that by yourself, and no course will give you that experience. This job here isn't entry-level. It shouldn't even be junior. And if you actually analyze some of these jobs, you pick up some weird things. Like, why does a marketing analyst need to pick up 50 pounds occasionally? I mean, I don't want to pick up 50 pounds occasionally. And also, I personally feel that $35,000 a year in the US is too low, especially if you want someone to know about Google Analytics, SEO, data visualization, and then programming languages. And then on top of that, pick up 50 pounds. I mean, for someone to know all of that, and even know all of that generally, that takes time to do. That's not an entry-level job. The other thing that I've picked up from social media is that these entry-level jobs, the interview process seems like hell. If you have little work experience and you're applying for an entry-level job, you shouldn't do a 5-round interview. Why is the interview process so long? If you have a look at this Reddit post, this person applies for an entry-level job, was part of a 7-round interview, did a week-long project to develop some sort of tracking system, and then the person got rejected. How is that fair? At that stage, the company should actually start paying the person for their time. Unfortunately, it seems like the situation is getting worse. And it really would be nice if there was some regulations around job listings like this. Or even if platforms like LinkedIn could step up and flag job postings that seem to just take advantage. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my content, please subscribe. Let me know your thoughts as well. See you on the next one.